Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this vintage copper serving tray to a mirror finish. The first thing we're going to do is take the BlingMaster Aluminator polish, then I'm just going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, and then I'm going to rub it into this copper serving tray until it's as dark as possible, and then I'm going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe it away to reveal a mirror shine. Now it is time to protect our finish. So we're going to take the BlingMaster BlingBarrier clear sealant. We're just going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, which we had previously sprayed with water to make it damp. And then we're going to rub it into this copper serving tray until it's as dark as possible. Wait for it to dry. And then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel. This copper tray didn't turn out perfect, but it did turn out much better from when we started. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.